Today is the beginning of room operation number 1. Transforming Tyler's room first, and then we're gonna transform Sarah's room. So we're starting off with Tyler's room. Let's see what amount of work we'll get done today. So Tyler starting off by taking off the stickers on the wall. Say good morning to Faves.
Good morning. I mean, wagwan.
How is it going?
Good.
Alright, continue, I soon come. Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I could just sleep in this bed right here, right now. I'm so tired from Tyler's party yesterday, but I have things to do, lots of it. This room needs to repaint right now, which means everything in here needs to get out today. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good day, better than I am having with my busy self. Yeah, so that's what's up today. Today's not even supposed to be a vlogging day, but because I want you guys to see the transformation of Tyler's room, hence I'm going to film it and show you guys what I've been up to. So our mission is to change Tyler's bed. We already purchased Tyler's new bed, so this one is going to go to Sarah. So Sarah is getting out of the crib, turning a big girl. Everybody's turning big people around here. So Tyler's bed is coming in a few days, so I have to get the room ready until Tyler bed gets here, and get the space ready so that when they come they can install the bed. So my first mission in Tyler's room is to take out the blue off the wall and turn the room into full white room. But before we can do that, we have to take off the things off the wall. Tyler has grown out Paw Patrol, so no more Paw Patrol on the wall. And hopefully I'll get up some Naruto and some Star Wars on this wall in terms of art and stuff like that. But as time goes by, it will all come together. But today is mission Tyler room. So wish me luck and let's go. Have a good day. Catch fun, keep up, subscribe to the fandom if it's your first time. And I'll see you guys at some point through the day, shawty. Ugh. I just want to sleep. My feet are numb from yesterday still. But the art on the wall is coming off easier than I thought. It's coming off not leaving anything on the wall, so that's good. And you can tell that this blue will be easy to paint over, so I'm not worried about it. But Ty is doing good taking out this wall, and my stomach is crying. So my grandmother always said never use paint in the morning without eating. So I'm gonna follow my grandmother's advice and make sure I go and get something to eat before I start painting. No, not yet. I just told you we have to put the plastic on the ground first.
What is it? What plastic?
This plastic in this bag. So when you put this on the floor, we won't mess up the floor with paints. Okay?
Plastic.
You hit your head.
I said bed, I didn't say head.
Sarah said she just hit her head.
Why are you putting the camera down? I can't even see my...
Because I'm going down. You guys, I'm trying to prep this room. Sarah, come Ty.
Okay, what do you want me to do? You're just calling me for me to look at?
No.
To look at it? What do you want me to do?
Hold the tape.
do. Get out the plastic because I need more in the corner. Okay. Come back. Hold the tape. Give me the scissors. Yes.
Swim in the pool.
Mm.
Look, it's a swim in the pool.
You have to swim in the pool.
Look. Look, it's a swim.
That's Faves.
Faves.
Say hello, Faves.
Hello, Faves.
Let the transformation begins. Big ballroom in progress. How's it going, painters?
Good.
How's it going, Sarah? Sarah, how's it going?
I'm using Sarah paint.
Oh yes, because she's making a whole lot of mess.
And I'm
Paint on the
blocking
blue,
it.
Sarah. Paint on the blue. One direction, up and down. Not across, up and down.
Apart is a lot.
And this is what Tyler room is looking like, bright and white and echoing. I don't know if you guys remember this. If you've been watching me from day one, then you'd remember that years ago when I moved here, this was a TV stand and it didn't have so many shelves. I did a DIY and added on the shelves with my saw and my hammer and nails, and I made this book stand for Tyler. So I freshened up my room, give it fresh paint, take away the blue that was there, and I repainted his closet also. Just put back his hanging stuff up there, some clothes in his closet. Not everything is in there as yet. The fold side is empty because we're just trying to get things back in slowly, but we're not going to finish Tyler's room until his new bed come in 2 days. So that's Tyler's room empty, and this is Sarah's room upgrade. Big girl things. I just took off the cover of this couch to wash it. So Sarah now have the bed that Tyler had, and she's been sleeping in this bed for a night now. One night she slept in it and a day, and she did well. She'll love it. Sarah, say big girl things. Big girl things. And minimize Sarah's room as much as possible. Half of the toys won't come back. This one to sort out and all the others to sort out. So that's Sarah's room for now.
What you're gonna do with the other toys when you? What happened when you work out?
Give them away. So I won't be able to work out in the back until I sort out all the things around there. Right?
Yes.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Look at them. 2 grown people. Say hello, Fez. Sarah, say hello.
Hello. Morning, babe.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is day 3 of organizing Tyler and Sarah's room, and on day 3, I am organizing books from morning, and now it's afternoon where I'm heading to the supermarket because it's Christmas shopping day. So I'm heading to the supermarket right now. Take a break from all the organizing, but it have to get done. I'm going to the supermarket and then head back home to jump back on it after the supermarket haul. So yes, you guys don't want to miss the supermarket haul coming up. But it's been a busy 3 days, and tomorrow should be the last extra busy day because Tyler baby is coming in tomorrow. You guys don't want to miss that. So that's where I'm at right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and is enjoying this journey with moi. So I'm on the road with the kiddos and baby's gonna meet us there. By the time I finish shopping, he should be there with us. So I'll catch you guys at some point.
Wagwan, my youth.
Okay.
It's time for the supermarket haul. Supermarket haul. Like
Supermarket haul. Ready?
Ready?
Say hello, babes.
Hello, babe.
You guys, we just stepped in. Our life is a mess around here, but we're working through the mess. All right, you guys. Went to the supermarket, did some shopping, and it's time now to get the ding dong. Why did I just say that?
Mama,
We're doing Finger Valley. All right. Are you ready for the haul?
Yes,
Okay, let's see. Tyler, get your bag. Yes, Finger Family. What's this? Egg. Naruto poster for Tyler room. Bong. Hit Tyler, say bong. Come, use that. Wait. Hit Tyler, say bong. 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 Alright. Ooh. Alright. Good. Alright. Finish. Good job. Bravo, Finish. Alright, let's go. We starting the haul until babe come because when we reach home it's hungry time.
Okay. Sarah new bag.
That's not true, it's Sarah bag. What's that? Juice.
Brioche. That is a bit squash.
Yes, what is this?
Yogurt.
No. Cereal.
Cereal.
What's this one?
Cereal for me. Make a long
What's this one?
time. Eat yogurt.
Avocado.
It make long time I didn't eat this.
Yes, trying something new. Look at Sarah.
Nutella biscuit.
Say peace.
Biscuit for me.
Alright, what's this, Sarah?
Salad.
Salad. Let's see in
What
English.
donuts?
Sarah wanted donut. Alright, Sarah, what's this? Strawberry.
Sarah, I can't hear you. What is this? Strawberry. Good.
Stop doing your hands like that.
Yes. I'm discovering in same time.
He doesn't have a
Happy
clue.
biscuit.
He reached there just as I finished packing the
Because she
bag.
said she didn't take much snack off and get good, so as I look
Nuts.
is on the snack.
Not for the kids, not for the adults. Correction. Look how I slap myself. Have to say catching them.
Okay, Mama.
Eat the donut. Bite it.
Mama, it's time to cook dinner.
I put the oven on for you.
Okay, we have Chinese things for dinner.
Sarah,
And
what's
Chinese,
this?
We have nem and
Raspberry.
samosa.
Why did you raspberry and it was name?
No, raspberry in the hand.
Oh,
Four eggs.
Can I have one donut?
Avocado,
Sure.
tomato sauce, tomato
But you have
sauce.
to multitask. Multitask.
Olive oil?
Yeah.
Olive oil? Oil is back in the supermarket as normal or?
Yeah, I guess.
Somebody that paid very attention much about what she
Chicken.
see. What is that, Sarah?
Pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah.
Right. With the
Sweet
S on the
pepper.
end.
Tomato.
There's a mosquito around her.
Yeah. Very
You
nice.
see it?
Your English very good, Tara. Better than Tyler.
What is he telling her? Tell her you didn't hear that, right?
Yeah.
What
You
you
know
say?
what? I didn't say anything.
You didn't
But
say
you
it.
don't be penance.
You are master repellent. Continue. Come, do this one.
What
But
do
you
you
don't be penance.
Mama soon put mosquito repellent on.
What is that?
Okay, eat first.
Chicken. Bread.
Ham.
The mosquito, you see, Kai?
What is that?
What's that? It's mosquito.
No, this is not mosquitoes.
Yogurt.
Yes.
Yogurt. Good job,
What's
Sarah.
that?
What's that?
What?
Banana.
Banana.
What is that?
Bacon.
Bacon. Salad. This arugula.
Rice.
Fries. Fries is your favorite, right?
Sarah favorite. Sarah, what's this?
Pineapple.
No.
Chicken.
Yes, chicken. Chicken nuggets.
What is that?
Sausage.
And that?
Yogurt.
Right.
Juice and
she's a
chicken.
champion. She's a champion. She's ready to go to school.
Oh yeah. Ty, where you going?
I got the thing.
What is that, Sarah?
Cheese.
Yeah, what's this one?
Broccoli.
Yeah.
Broccoli. She got all of them.
This one was the last
Chocolate.
pack left in the
Chocolate.
store, but it crushed a little bit. Can see that from the delivery person or the pack out person. But I wanted it, so I took it. I deal with the crush.
Let's see what is.
At least none. They weren't
Ooh,
birds.
what is that?
See the mosquito here. You don't see the mosquito?
I see mosquito.
Sarah, sit properly. You see the mosquito, Ty? You see him?
I'm going Sarah.
He's on top of the head of Tyler.
That's not true, but he's here somewhere.
He's lost in his hair.
I
Alright, what is. Oh, I almost forgot it was a 2 cheese.
I should have bought 3.
2 cheese. What's going on with you, woman?
You want me to zap you like a mosquito?
So when you fart, does it smell better with the cheese or does it smell better with the
Just
egg?
run away with here.
I'm not wondering if it was really the egg or it was the egg.
I'm joking. What is that?
Juice.
What kind of juice?
Orange juice.
Good.
What is this?
Yes, Sarah.
Sausage.
Do
Sausage.
mosquito hunting. See here. Let me see him.
Sarah? C'est quoi ça?
Sarah, what is that?
Mosquito.
This. What is that?
Come, Ty, hurry up. Help Papa take out these.
Sarah?
Bread.
Bread from the
Rice.
way. Rice.
Mince.
Minced beef.
Sausage for
And
barbecue.
mosquito
Merguez.
Sausage here, merguez there, liver.
Liver chicken, liver.
Lemonade.
Yes, Tyler wanted lemonade.
Okay. Citronade.
Citronade. Schweppes for Tyler.
Schweppes lemon.
Sarah, eat a donut.
Tyler is a lemon drinker.
Bite. Big Sarah, bite it and don't do
And
that.
to finish, we
Bite
have a juice. Lemon juice. No.
Bite it.
Ta, c'est quoi ça?
Don't do that.
What is that?
Yes, you want to cook here?
Compote. Compote.
Yes, compote.
No, it's the rock, paper, scissors.
Come on, Tyler, rock, paper, scissors. You have to win. It's time for rock, paper, scissors. Come, Ty, come.
Where are you,
Ready?
Tyler? I don't see you.
I hear.
Let's go.
I
Let's
hear.
go.
You see what I can do with that?
Ready?
Mama.
Mosquito?
No, things are
That's
looking
okay.
up.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
that was very short. That was very fast. And that's without doubt. This one was quick and fast.
Stop! Stop, Papa! I told you.
Move. You're too bad. Alright, you guys. That's the end of the supermarket haul. And the end of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Tyler lost big time. We're the quickest win babe ever got. Give us a thumbs up. Comment down below.
On top.
Subscribe if you're new to the fun. Jesus Christ! Tell me you're catching.
I'll catch it.
Oh God, babe, you miss?
No, it's not on me, but I think I got it.
After that big slap, if babe ever miss the mosquito, watch both of them on the floor looking for the mosquito. Babe, it's stinging and you miss the mosquito. Look if he print out on my hand. Just tell me you're really catching.
He was on you like this and he just stopped and I catch you when he just...
Anyway, you guys, babe slapped me and didn't catch the mosquito and it's still stinging. But we're gonna go eat. You ready to eat? Tell face bye.
Bye. Baba, if you end of the vlog, we're ending the vlog right now.
Anyway, you guys, we're out. See you guys later. I'm going to go organize a little bit.
Not later, you mean tomorrow.